Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a delicious pork chops recipe. What I have here is 6 pork chop. It's pretty thin pork chop right here, 6 of them. And then I'm going to marinate the pork chop and then cook in the oven. So so the ingredient to marinate the pork chop, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger is already peeled. I'm gonna grind the ginger and the garlic up. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce right here. You can buy this in Asian store. This is a Vietnamese brand. So this pretty let's add a little spiciness to the pork chop. So this is the chili garlic sauce in oil. So put 1 teaspoon of that in there. Let's marinate the pork chop. So let's put the pork chop all in here. Put in the soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of this chili garlic sauce. Okay, so slice the ginger a little bit. All right, and put in the grinder. Might need a little bit of water just to start it. All right, grind it up into a paste like this, and then just put it into the bowl, like that. So just marinate everything up. Use your hand if you just make sure everything's marinated up really good. So it should be delicious. And then it's gonna put in the oven for about 20 minutes on each side, and then that's it on like a 350 degree heat. So here, after you marinate, it should look like that, and just put in the refrigerator about half an hour. All right, after about half an hour of the pork, the marinated pork sitting in the refrigerator, it's time to put in the oven. This should look like this. It's a lot of it's gonna be sweet and tasty. Look at all the good stuff right here. Just pour it on top of it. Be yummy. Okay, now it's ready to put in the oven. I already turned on the oven, preheated to 350 degrees. So I don't want the heat to be too high. 350 degrees is okay. Because remember, I put a lot of sugar in it. I don't want to burn it. A lot of brown sugar in the marinade. So, all right. Cook about 20 minutes on each side, and then that's it. It should be done. All right. I'm gonna get rid of some of the water, some of the fat that's coming out. Yeah, don't pour it down the drain because you're gonna cause problems down the drain. I mean, it's gonna clog up your drain because it's all fat right here coming out from the pork chop. So, okay. All right, just flip it to the other side and. All right, I think it's cooked. Let's take it out. So this is the final product, marinated pork chop recipe. Let's give it a try. Mmm, very tasty. It's sweet, and you can taste the garlic and the ginger in there. It tastes very good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.